Do you attend PD events, participate at PD events, and then perhaps do nothing further? That can all change. You can now attend PD events, participate at PD events, and then if you apply what you learn at these events, you can earn something for your efforts. You can earn what exactly? You can now earn recognition for your PD efforts with the earning of a digital badge. Introducing the CPS digital badges and tutorials, now being made available to you. Here's but one of what we hope will be many more badges to come, all badges that you can earn. Here's another badge that has recently been earned. It was earned by Stephanie Siam for her Excel in Excel workshop series. By clicking on her badge, we can learn a great deal more because the badge has baked into it details on how it was earned, when it was earned, and perhaps most important of all, the evidence that was used to support the earning of it. Wherever this badge gets posted, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, or perhaps even in an email, that badge is hyperlinked to give anyone access to all of this information. There lies the power of the badge. To earn the presenter badge, Stephanie agreed to submit 3 things: a link to the PowerPoint presentation that met certain criteria, a detailed outline on her workshop, and a reflective writing piece. All of these pieces of evidence are now attached to her badge. Wherever that badge goes, so too goes the evidence. So the same PD opportunity exists for you now. You can now earn such badges if you attend a face-to-face presentation where there's a post-event activity organized for you, or you can now engage in various online tutorials found on the non-academic Moodle website. Learn more about digital badges and the tutorials project via this infographic. Just click on the present button on the screen to do so. We really hope you'll take up what we think is a more flexible and exciting opportunity for you to demonstrate and recognize your professional growth. Thanks for your time.